there is one more series. We call it Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series is a special series in which a term is summation of previous two terms. So Fibonacci series is a special series in which one term is summation of previous two terms. What happens here is that the first two terms are fixed. That means the first term is always 0, whereas second term is always 1. Then after the third term is summation of previous two terms, means 0 plus 1, that is 1. The fourth term is the summation of second and third terms, that is 2. The fifth term is the summation of second and third term, that is 3. Then 5, then 8, then 13, then 21, something like that. This is called the Fibonacci series. Here our task is to print Fibonacci series. So you will be asked to print up to a given term. Like I tell you to print up to the term 5. Therefore, you will have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have to print up to 3. If I say you to print up to the term 7, then you may need to print up to 8. So this is what you have to do. So let's start. As I told you, the first two terms are fixed. So let's fix the first two terms. Let's write first is equal to 0 and second is equal to 1. These two terms are going to be fixed. Then you take the number of terms as input. Write n is equal to int input, enter number of terms. After that, you have to go through each term of the series and decide what to print on that term. So start the for loop for x in range. Now tell me what should be the range. We already have decided the first two terms. Therefore, you start from the third term onward. Okay, start from the third term onward. Got it? Start from 3 and go up to n plus 1 because that many terms you want to print. Let's create a string variable whose name is series. Series. Series is equal to change the first term to string str first. Then give a comma and then change second also to string str second. So from the third term onwards, first you need to calculate the current value. Okay, the value of the current term. So let me create a variable whose name is current is equal to 0. Now from the third term onward, for every value of x, calculate the current term. So current is equal to first plus second, first plus second. Now change the values of first and second so that those two will be added in the next iteration for calculation of the next current. So here in the next iteration, your second will become first. First is equal to second. Okay, your second will become the first and your current will become the second. Second is equal to current. So we are all set. We have the current value. Okay, and we have already set the first and second for our next iteration. But in the current iteration, we have our current value. So according to this current value, let's update the series. Series is equal to series plus comma in the string plus current, and current should be converted to string before we add to the series. Okay, so let's print series, ACRIES. Now run module, enter the number of terms, enter 5, and here we are 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Now let's run it for some other value. Run module, enter the number of terms. I want to print it up to 20 terms. Press enter, and this is the Fibonacci series up to 20 terms. So hopefully you are getting it and you understand how to write a program to calculate Fibonacci series. So that's all about this video. See you in the next video where we will learn string in Python in more depth. See you in the next video.